Quitting bad habits can be challenging, but with the right strategies, it's definitely achievable. Here are some tips to help you break bad habits for good. Identify your triggers. Understand what prompts your bad habit. Is it stress, boredom, or something else? Keeping a journal can help you spot patterns. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and why. Having a clear purpose can keep you motivated. Replace the habit. Instead of just stopping the bad habit, replace it with a healthier one. For example, if you want to quit snacking on junk food, try eating fruits or nuts instead. Make it difficult. Increase the effort required to engage in the bad habit. If you want to stop watching TV late at night, unplug the TV or remove the remote batteries. Seek support. Share your goals with friends or family who can encourage you and hold you accountable. Be patient and persistent. Change takes time. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Instead, view them as learning opportunities. Reward yourself. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Rewards can reinforce positive behavior and keep you motivated. To quit bad habits for good, start by identifying what triggers them and set clear goals for what you want to achieve. Replace the bad habit with a healthier alternative and make it more difficult to engage in the unwanted behavior. Seek support from friends or family to stay accountable, and be patient with yourself as change takes time. Celebrate your progress with rewards to stay motivated. Remember, persistence is key, and setbacks are just learning opportunities.